Hi friends, let's read Flamingo Bingo. So let's start Flamingo Bingo. Tonight is the night, it's time to go. We do not want to be late for Flamingo Bingo. Find a seat, parakeet, as the crowds overflow. Puffin eyes prize, the crows want to show. Flamingo 1, Flamingo 2, Flamingo 3, hello. Crank the handle, balls spin. The bingo board will soon fill in. B1, I have it. I-19, not me. N40, so close. G50, B3. Oh no. Flamingo slips, flamingo slides, flamingo trips, flamingo rides. The crowd gasps. Is the game done? But there's a card that only needs one. A wing there, a leg here, feathers in a tangle. What is what and who is who? There's an odd angle. The crowd jumps up and out of the way. The flamingos roll by, and the crowds join the fray, calling, "Oh, what a great show this is today." They slow to a crawl. What is that popping out from inside? The bird ball comes out a shout. The crowd's excitement starts to grow. A 68 is called, and the letter O. Bravo, bravo, the birds all crow. All but one in the very last row. Toucan sits quietly checking his card. The first top line, then one below. He opens his beak and yells, "Bingo!" The flamingos untangle, the crowd settles down. Toucan is awarded the bingo crown. All the birds turn to leave, a gift bag in each wing. Chicken karaoke is tomorrow, and they all want to sing. The end. I hope you like this story. See you in the next video. Bye.